Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we're going to be talking about the Ipsy Ultimate Bag for November. This is the second one ever. And this video will have all the products that were available for the Ultimate customers. So it's been a rough month for Ipsy. Probably rougher for its ultimate customers. And there was a petition on change.org that got over 3,000 signatures that all of the ultimate customers should be refunded because of poor quality and items labeled as full-size items, even though they were chapsticks or single eyeshadows. But let's just get into the bag. This is going to be the full-size ultimate bag for you guys. And as you see, I am not a Glam Bag Ultimate member. But if you were an Ultimate customer in October, then you got a $50 hit to your bank account, 8 questionably full-size products, most of which of low quality, and 4 deluxe products, most of which of poor quality, or that you received before. But you also got more. Oh, you got an undersized Betty Boop bag. But you also got more than that. You got an apology. An apology from Ipsy. We can't thank you enough for sharing your experience with Glam Bag Ultimate. The perspective that you've provided is invaluable, truly, and we wanted you to know where it's led us. Here's what you can expect. No identical products if you subscribe to more than one Glam Bag membership, so long as they're all under a single account. Each and every bag will have 8 full-size and 4 deluxe samples with a combined value of at least $250. No exceptions. High-quality products from a mix of beloved and emerging brands, along with hipster cult favorites, so you can continue to explore and discover new go-tos. One large, super stylish makeup bag to stash all of your new goods. Plus, your November Glam Bag Ultimate could include coveted must-haves from Benefit Cosmetics, It Cosmetics, Orbe, Juice Beauty, Violet Vase, Mira, Tristique, and more. So after such a sincere apology and thousands of dollars in refunds for the October bag and guaranteed free November bags for some people and 800 points as an apology to other people, what exactly are you getting in November? This is it. We have Bogashi, never heard of it, concealer brush, Eva NYC, Satin Dream leave-in conditioner that looks like a deluxe size, Youth to the People Superfood Air Whipped Moisturizer, that's a deluxe size, Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel, Orbe Hair Care Scalp Soothing Leave-On Treatment, every girl's dream. Then Chlorine Dry Shampoo. Here we have Juju N Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask. And it wouldn't be Ipsy if there were not an Ico Black Magic liquid eyeliner. Then we have a Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet mini palette. Next to that, we have Billion Dollar Brows, the Best Sellers kit, which I do see at TJ Maxx all the time. And then we have BASD, which is some kind of body lotion, so that looks like it was a deluxe. And next to it is a Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Serum, which is definitely full size. The Trusty Color and Contour Bronzer, the Benefit Cosmetics High Beam Liquid Highlighter, the Murad Rapid Age Spot Remover, the Context Skin Lipstick, Matte Lipstick in one shade and then in another shade, and then the Kismet Lip Scrub. We have the Sue E Eye Brightening Masks. We have the Luxie Beauty 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. We have the Gigi Gorgeous, that is the Ipsy collaboration for the month. That would be her contour brush. And then we have Smith & Cult nail polish in something that's bite you or bite somebody. And then we have the Gigi Gorgeous Blush Duo. And finally, we have the Wander Beauty, a 6-pan palette. And interestingly enough, we were given one of these in our April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We were given the Seaside one. And you should throw that away if you got that in April, because they expire after 6 months. But that used to be a Glam Bag Plus item. It is no longer. That is now a premium item. And it does give you fallout after about 1 hour from all the shimmer, so look out for that. We're at the end already. How could that be? Ipsy promised us to turn it all around. Well, this was probably the best item in the bag. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. It is a full size. It costs about $35. I would want that. Next up, Pop Beauty Pout On Point in Risque. Looks like a lip liner. And then from that company that probably no one's ever heard of, Evolue Super Oil. What does it do? Where does it go? I don't know. Now that you've seen all the products that could be in the Ultimate for November, what do you think of this apology? Are these all high quality products? And do you think that these are Ipster cult favorites? What do you think? Do you think that this month is better than last month? Are you going to hold on to your Ipsy Ultimate membership and get December? Sound off in the comments down below. And also, if you canceled Ipsy, sound off in the comments down below. I'm interested to hear who wasn't happy after October, if you got a refund, if you got points, if you got a free November bag. Let us all know in the comments down below. And at this point in the video, I'd usually be telling you how to join Ipsy and giving you my code to sign up, but I'm not gonna do that because I like people. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Please hit like and subscribe because I'm a small YouTuber and it would definitely help out my channel. And share it with a friend if they received Ultimate, because maybe they didn't receive this apology and they would like to see it. Bye guys, have a great night and see you at the next one.